Morning everyone, well done for everything that you've completed over this half term. We are now in the final week before you get a break from logging on to ePraise each morning and completing your tasks. Thank you to everyone who has been showing us your work over the last few weeks. We've been able to see a rise in the engagement data coming back from ePraise on a weekly basis, meaning that you've been completing the quizzes and uploading the tasks that we've asked you to do. Well done to the students as well who have been sending back their work. And don't worry, if you're a student who's working on paper, we've been tracking your engagement as well. Thank you to everybody who has been able to complete Mr. Graham's survey online. One of the common things that's come out of that survey has been information that's told us that you're struggling sometimes with the amount of work that you've been set. Please remember what I said a few weeks ago. When you start each subject for that day, do that subject for an hour, and then when you've got to the end of that hour, move on, even if it isn't complete. This way, you won't get behind and worried that you're overwhelmed with what you need to do. For those of you in year 10 and 12, you'll be wondering what is happening next because the government has clearly announced that there is a plan for after half term to get you some sort of face-to-face contact with teachers. We've been busy working out how we can make this happen and what the tight parameters need to be in order to keep you safe. Once we've finalised this plan over the next couple of days, I'll be writing to you and your parents and carers, letting you know what we will be doing. For now, have a great week and a great half term, and good luck with your lessons this week. Many thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.